Very good morning to all of you. Welcome to EduCourse Tutorials. So in today lecture we are going to discuss about the sets. So I have written some of collections on the board. In this numerical we will discuss about that which collections are the sets and which collections are not the set. Okay. So let's move on question. Question given us that which of the following collections are set. As we know that sets are the well defined collection of objects. Okay, so some of collections are given to us. We have to see that which collections are set and which collections are not in the set. Okay, so first the collection of all the days of a week. Okay, so here it is a collection of all the days of a week. So if I talk about week, then we know that there are 7 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so in a week there are 7 days. So name of collection of all the days of a week is a set, because we know that it is definite that in a week there are only 7 days. Okay, so it is a set. Okay, so it is a set because there are only 7 days in a week. Now the collection of all the month of a year beginning with letter M. Okay, so if we see the collection of all the month of a year, so we know that in a year there are 12 months. Okay, so if I told you about the collection of all the month of a year, it is also a set because we know that in a year there are 12 months, but he is saying that the month is beginning with the letter M, and we know that the month May and March. Okay, so May and March are the beginning with M, and so they are definite, so we can say that it is also a set. Okay, it is also a set, a collection of well defined objects. Now third one is a collection of 11 best hockey players of India. So first of all, some of words we have to learn about them. The best, dangerous, rich, beautiful, poor. If these words, some of words are coming which are not clear perfectly or which are not defining the objects perfectly, then they are not the collection of the sets. Okay, so here a collection of 11 best hockey players. So there are many hockey players, so which 11 are the best? Okay, so this cannot be a set because it will change from person to person. Okay, so we know that every person has a different choice, so he will select different hockey players according to him. So a collection of 11 best hockey player, so any player can be best according to someone. So this is not a collection, this is not a collection, sorry, set or collection of well defined objects. So we can say that it is vague, means not clear. Okay, so fourth one, the collection of all rich persons of Delhi. So there are too many rich persons. So what is our calculation to saying a person is rich or not? Okay, so all the person of Delhi which are rich, it is also not a set. Okay, so this is also not a set because it is not well defined, it is not well defined. Okay, or we can simply say that it is vague. Okay, now moving to fifth one, the collection of all persons of Kolkata whose assessed annual income exceeds rupees 10 lakh in the financial year 2012 and 13. Now there is a difference between these two words. First word is saying the collection of all rich persons of Delhi. So it is also changing from person to person. Some person will see that the person which have 10 lakh is also rich, the person which have 10 crore is also rich. So there is not a definite order of saying someone rich, but in this collection it is saying that the collection of all persons of Kolkata whose assessed annual income exceeds to 10 lakh. Here it is, this term is given the definite value. All the persons whose annual assessed income is 10 lakh in the financial year 2012 and 13. So which is a definite value? Which is a definite value? So it will be a set. So it is a set. Okay. A collection of most dangerous animals of India. So any animal can be dangerous. It is also changing from person to person. So we can simply say that it is not a set. Okay, it is not a set. Next, the collection of all interesting books. Okay, so collection of all interesting books, it is also changing from person to person. Some persons are interested in studying fiction books, some are interested in studying non-fiction books, some are interested in books which are related to science, commerce or arts. So these are also changing from person to person. Okay, so the term interesting is not well defined. So this is also not a set. Also not a set. Okay, so students, I hope this question is well clear to you, and now you can identify which collections are set and which collections are not the set. If this video is useful to you, then like, share and subscribe. Thanks to all of you. Have a nice day.